Welcome to another box break here on Dynasty Central Sports, and we got another banger box here for you today. I went into Simi Sports Cards in Simi Valley, California. Go give them some love on Instagram. A great store. Check them out if you're in the area. Give them some love. I went in to Simi Sports Cards and I went in to get a box of something.
It's just money. It's made up.
I went to get something. Trilogy, Extended Series, anything. And I saw 21-22 UD ice, and I just cannot stay away from the ice. So I got a box of 21-22. All right, well, I'm not gonna fluff this product anymore. Let's get ripped into this 21-22, the Upper Deck ice. Let's just jump right into this. You know what's in here. We got green parallels, orange parallels, lavender parallels, all not numbered. But we're looking for exquisite patch autos or autographs in here.
Not today.
We're looking for one of ones.
No fucking way.
Ice premieres out of 99.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Let's get ripped. Miro Heiskanen, Ryan O'Reilly, Colton Parenko, a green of Quinton Byfield, and a Jake Neighbors rookie. We got ice crystals on the back. It's a blue, so non-parallel.
Fuck this guy!
Ryan Suter. This fucking guy showing up already in my box. Let's not ruin this box with your face already. We got Mark Stone, Nick Schmaltz, Casey Middlestad. That's a Ross Colton green rookie. Alexander Holtz rookie base, and a Sub-Zero on the back. Looks like Mason McTavish.
Not bad, not bad.
Out of 999. 921 out of 999. Mason McTavish. Sub-Zero rookie. 2 SoCal rookies. And Ross Colton green rookie just signed with the Colorado Avalanche. What an interesting contract that was. This feels thick.
That's thick!
Yep, we got a filler.
Fuck!
Decoy, filler, whatever you want to call him. Max Jones, Clayton Keller, Vitek Vanacek, a green Jake Gensel, Alex Barry-Boulet rookie. We got that sweet decoy. Not a PSA 10 though. And we got a number 71 Ice Premieres. What is that? Maxwell Willman. 432 out of 1299. Maxwell Willman. Probably the worst name you could get in an Ice Premieres. Maxwell Willman out of 1299. Ugh. Alexi Lafreniere. Carey Price. Robin Lehner. Garrett Pilon rookie. Green Mikko Rantanen, and a orange Brock Besser. These parallels, it's like I say, Upper Deck Ice has a lot of good hit potential. A lot of value in it. But you gotta sift through the crap. And that is the green parallels. That is the orange parallels. Lavender, I hear, is a little less short printed. This boy feels thick, but it's probably a decoy. I'm not even gonna get torqued yet. And it is a decoy.
Fuck.
420.
Nice. All right, Mario Ferraro, Jack Roslovic, Spencer Knight green rookie. We got Grigory Denisenko rookie base, decoy, and it's a Shrines card of Mark Scheifele.
Woof.
Shrines Mark Scheifele with the facsimile auto on the front. Another insert that is poorly designed in my opinion. I know, now I've become snooty about card design, but to be honest, not a fan of that facsimile auto of all the things on here. It's a cool card outside of that. Elias Lindholm, Rasmus Dahlin, Pavel Buchnevich, rookie of Cole Sillinger, green bed sheets John Tavares, and a orange of Jaden Schwartz. I like the orange look. I like green too. That's my favorite color. It's just they're super prevalent in this product. Spezza, Marc-Andre Fleury, Quinn Hughes, D-Boss green, rookie Rasmus Kupari, and we got a Ice Premier's red out of 399 of Scott Perunovich, 107 out of 399. Scott Perunovich, or as some people say, Perunovich. I don't know about that one.
To be joined by Scott Perunovich.
I'm just going to go with Perunovich because it's what it looks like. But 399, 107. Red Premier. Red Parallel Ice Premier. Let's sound the foghorn. Pack your bowls. Get ready for a foghorn of epic proportions. We're going to put some hash on this because we got a second stack and an extra bonus pack that hopefully packed with some goodies. Let's get ripped and sound the foghorn and go into the second stack of 21-22 Upper Deck Ice. Victor Olofsson, Philip Forsberg, Andrei Svechnikov, Andrei Vasilevsky, Ivan Prosvetov rookie. We got Decoy, Ice Premiers of... Are you fucking kidding me?
Why the fuck would anything nice ever happen?
This fucking guy, Maxwell Willman, 1270 out of 1299. What the fuck?
Fuck you!
Are you kidding me? Double Maxwell Willman? This guy better fucking light the fucking world on fire. Wow. Double Maxwell Willman. Brian Rust, Zach Rowensky, Jonathan Taves, a green Jacob Markstrom, Moritz Seider rookie, and a Sub-Zero autograph of Wade Allison rookie.
Just to finish it off, why don't you give me a swift kick in the balls?
Wade Allison on-card auto, even though it just looks like it's not an on-card auto because it has that white space and it's like clearly a rectangle on here. You can see like the raised area. It's just that's a space for them to autograph in. Wade Allison Sub-Zero rookie auto, and yeah.
Oh, don't cry. Are you?
There's the auto of the box. Maybe there's more. Hopefully there's more. Let's keep going. Tyler Toffoli, Nikolai Ehlers, Philip Grubauer, green Trevor Zegras, I'll take that. Rookie of Matthias Samuelsson, and Ice Crystals of Cole Perfetti. Ice Crystals, Cole Perfetti. Not a bad one, but I am still feeling it after the double Maxwell Willman, Wade Allison Sub-Zero rookie auto. Can't cry too much in the game of opening boxes. It happens. David Pasternak, Brock Besser, Adam Fox, green, Lavender Philip Tomasino rookie. We got a Taylor Radish rookie. Is that two white sparkles? No! Or ice blues?
Yeah, boy.
What is that? I haven't seen that before. Marc-Andre Fleury, and that is ice blue. Ice blue Marc-Andre Fleury, and then ice blue Darnell Nurse. Two in the same pack. It's such an interesting box. So much color in this pack. The ice blues, I've never actually pulled an ice blue, and I know the royal blues are darker, and those are numbered out of 99. What is the ice blues? All right, last pack of 21-22 UD Ice, and then we got the 2021 UD Ice over there. Ivan Provorov, Giordano, JG Peugeot, Green Brady Chucker, Ice Crystals of Thatcher Demko, a thick-ass decoy, and a rookie of Quinton Byfield. Really disappointing last pack, in my opinion. Last pack, and it's 2021 Upper Deck Ice. Please, Lord, let there be a Kaprizov in here.
God, if you listen, hell!
Or Timmy Stutzla, or Jason Robertson.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen, mate.
One of those names in here for an Ice Premieres. That would be awesome. John Carlson, Dylan Cousins, Steven Stamkos. We got Orange Elias Peterson. And it is Keegan Colasar out of 999. 363 out of 999.
It's not fair! It's not fair!
Keegan Colasar Ice Premieres. Stanley Cup champion. That's all I gotta say. That was another box of 21-22 Upper Deck Ice with the extra pack of 2021. Let's go over to the sleeved up hits. We got Orange 2021 Elias Peterson, Lavender Rookie Philip Tomasino, Green Rookie Trevor Zegras, Ice Crystals Rookie of Cole Perfetti, Maxwell Willman 1270 out of 1299 Ice Premieres, Orange Jaden Schwartz. We got a Shrines of Mark Scheifele. We got Orange of Brock Besser. Ice Premieres Maxwell Willman 432 out of 1299. Green Ross Colton Rookie. Sub-Zero Mason McTavish 921 out of 999. And a green rookie, Quinton Byfield. All right, and top loaded hits, Keegan Colasar 2021. Ice Premieres out of 999. 363 out of 999. Sub-Zero autograph rookie of Wade Allison. On card auto. Ice Blue, Darnell Nurse. Scott Perunovich. 107 out of 399 red parallel Ice Premieres. And Ice Blue Marc-Andre Fleury. And that came in the same pack as that Darnell Nurse. So, yeah. What did you think of this box? 21-22 Upper Deck Ice. Got this at See Me Sports Cards. Again, go check them out. And great store. What did you think of this box though? Smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Love to hear from you, and thank you for supporting the channel. Please go check out the cafepress.com/DynastyCentral Sports for merch. If you'd like to get a merch for the channel, go check out the custom cards that I make at www.DynastyCentralCustoms.com. Go check out those. Gonna be dropping more great cards. We got 101s on there and multiple sets, and you can always do a custom option if you want to get your own player in a set or a full-on custom card. I can do those as well. So thank you and for supporting the channel, and remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you later.